In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with HubSpot for real estate. If you're setting up HubSpot for a real estate business, the goal is to create a system that keeps your contacts organized, tracks deals clearly, and helps your team move faster. We'll walk through the core setup so you can build a CRM that works for investors, buyers, sellers, and listings. First, sign up for a HubSpot account through HubSpot's software. This gives you access to the main workspace where you'll manage your contacts, deals, automation, and scheduling tools. Once you're inside, you can begin shaping the platform around your real estate process. Next, head over to the contacts section and import your existing spreadsheets. This is where you'll bring in the people you already work with, such as investors, buyers, and sellers. Importing your current data early helps you avoid starting from scratch and gives you a strong foundation right away. Before importing, it's helpful to make sure your spreadsheet columns are clearly labeled so the setup goes more smoothly. HubSpot will then automatically map your spreadsheet columns to standard CRM properties. In other words, it tries to match your data fields like name, phone, or email to the correct contact fields in the system. This saves time, but it's still important to review the mapping carefully so everything ends up in the right place. After that, go into Settings, select Properties, and create custom properties for deals and contacts. This is especially useful in real estate because you may want to track details that don't exist in a default CRM setup. Custom properties let you capture the specific information your team needs in order to qualify leads and manage transactions more effectively. Depending on your subscription, you may also be able to use custom objects to create a dedicated property object. This allows each house or land listing to exist as its own record, separate from contacts and deals. That can make your database much more structured if you're managing multiple listings at once. From there, build separate deal pipelines for buyers and sellers. This is a smart move because those two journeys are usually very different. Keeping them separate makes it easier to track progress, report accurately, and give your team a clearer view of what needs attention. You can also use HubSpot workflows to automatically assign leads to agents or trigger email sequences. Automation helps reduce manual work and creates faster follow-up, which is especially important when new leads come in. Then connect your email and calendar so you can use the meeting scheduling tool. This makes it easier for clients to book viewings based on your real availability without the back and forth of trying to coordinate times manually. Finally, connect your real estate tech stack. Bringing your tools together helps keep your data consistent and your process more efficient, so HubSpot becomes the central hub for your business.